even the long-term disciplined investor have lost their money. That's within the brackets, it's the returns who are investing over the last 5 years. What is long-term now? 7 to 10 years, or what should they do now?
Uh, yeah, I would say that this is something which is unprecedented, and the free fall that we faced, a crisis which is coming not from the financial market but came from elsewhere, and has a phenomenal effect on all dimensions of business. Uh, so I would say that this was unexpected, this is unanticipated, it was unthinkable. I would say that it entirely depends. I don't know what time period it will be. If we are able to get over this crisis based on all the actions, right now we are taking all the preemptive actions. We are trying to take all the precautions. When the businesses will get restored, and it is going to have a major ramification in terms of the way people will function from here on. Some of the business models, we are thinking that everything will get all right in 3 months, and there'll be, we saw the panic selling, and there'll be a reversal of it, and there'll be a panic buying. No, there'll be a lot of reject that will happen. It is going to impact a lot of business models in terms of how people conduct their businesses, the greater efficiency that will follow. Uh, but it is all up in the air right now. It is very difficult to see that where we will be in 3 months time and where we will be in 1.5 years time. I'm hopeful that in a couple of years time we will look back as a bad dream or something which was devastating. So we will get over this. What is the time frame, we don't know. So with that in mind, I would say that be in a high quality fund. All the time lost will be more than rewarded. There'll be winners and losers of this crisis that we are seeing. There'll be losers. There'll be companies which will actually lose the ground. There'll be companies which will actually be impaired permanently. There'll be businesses which will benefit. There'll be businesses, large businesses, which will benefit, and they will be able to corner a market share. You know, look at all the products, services, and all the things that we consume. It's not going to coming to an end. There will be restoration of things, but right now, in the standstill situation that we are, it is very difficult to visualize a time frame. But yes, keep few years in mind, and I think one will be reasonably rewarded. One important thing is that one should be investing through these times. If you are doing your SIP, continue. You will be buying cheap, and that will enhance your return as if you are going to invest for a couple of years.